Let's see if we can get this door open here. Oh yeah. I want to get this baby started up. All right, what's up everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, me and my beautiful girlfriend Carson are driving up to Oklahoma to make one last duck hunt before the season's over. And it just so happens that we caught the great winter storm. Check it out. Oh, yeah. We got probably 5 or so inches of snow last night. The deal today is we're gonna take Carson to her favorite breakfast spot in the world, which is what?
Jimmy's Egg.
Jimmy's Egg.
We feature it in every vlog.
So that's what we're doing right now on the way. Get a breakfast, get something hot in our bellies, and then we're gonna go find some ducks to hopefully kill. So let's do it.
Hey, sweet babies.
You ever seen a bufflehead? All right, we found some. All right, well, we found some ducks here. Most of the lake's frozen over, which is very surprising. First time we've ever seen that. Set up right here. Lays on our back, which is perfect. Tuck down in this grass. Should be good. Get it. We got one. All right. There you go. Let me go grab it.
We hadn't even been here 5 minutes when a mallard landed right in front of us. We had the shells were still in the bag, and the guns were not loaded, and I had to grab the bag and get some shells.
So pretty. I gotta get a video.
And so he luckily didn't see us getting the shells out or anything, which we are decked out. There's no skin showing today except my hands because I can't really grab with these gloves. But anyways, I think it's gonna be a good hunt today. We saw a bunch when we pulled in here, so, and we got the snow hitting our back.
Dude, you know that term, doing it dirty? He did it dirty. I'm freaking out, dude. We gotta get loaded up.
I know.
Carson, how did he not fly off?
I don't know. I just told the whole story of how we didn't even have shells out yet.
All right, let's have some fun. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get him now. Right here, Carson. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Can you tell me when?
Yes! We got the tree! Yes! Woo! Let's go! Get some, baby! Here, right here. It was a bullet. All right, well, so far it's been a pretty good hunt. We've I think we're sitting at 5 ducks, but we have a little problem we've run into. I've got 3 on the water that Oh my gosh.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that one. There's one in the air. I thought that was you. Go get it before he takes off. I know you want to get the other one,
Yeah.
but let's not do that.
But back to what I was saying, we're having a pretty good hunt. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna go pick up this duck I just got. But what I was saying is that the wind's taking some of the ducks and blowing them to the other side of the lake. So there's 3 out there we can't get. It's too deep, but we're gonna hopefully be able to walk around after the hunt, get those 3. Little guy. All right, that's 6, right?
Yep.
All right, excellent.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
I got 2. Check them out.
Frozen.
Remember I hit this one.
Wow.
That one too. Good shots.
Yeah.
They were just chilling.
Yeah. Literally chilling.
All right, well, this is what we killed today. We had a pretty good hunt. We saw a good many ducks. Unfortunately, a lot of the shells I was shooting were duds, or something was wrong with them. Gun wasn't firing, but the shots that fired connected. We got 6 ducks. We lost 1, but we got 5 here. But yeah, great hunt. Check them out. So I just jumped all those geese in this hole right here on the lake, and we're pretty sure they're coming back to try and do it. It's full. Geese, ducks. It's this one little spot that's not frozen, and the trees are blocking the wind. There's a pile in there. We're getting suited up, and we're gonna slip in there, and hopefully they'll come back. You see them all right there? In the water. Get ready, Carson. Kill it, Carson. Kill it. Nice shot, baby. Kill him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. In the head. It's all right. I'll get him for you.
That's all I have.
So awesome watching you do that. Yeah. You hit him. Good one to start with, honey. That was so fun watching you shoot that duck. shot him flying. Here. Get ready, shoot him, Carson. Grab mine. It's alright, it's alright. They're coming back. Yeah. Okay.
That's coming in.
All right. Get your gun ready. Get ready, Carson. Shoot him.
Shit, I can't. He's behind the tree.
All right. Just wait. Big giant mallard. I'm trying to get my gloves wet. Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you. Look at that big old.
Shot him right there, I guess.
Alright, we haven't had much time to give updates. As soon as we got in here, we jumped out like 100 ducks. And ever since we've been setting up, they've been trying to pour back in here. Carson shot her first duck. Check them out. Look at that. What do you think? He's big.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put this up. Let's get it down here. I'd put your gun like this. All right.
Like what?
Like mine.
I have a big branch.
Just you right here. What do you think about that, though?
Good shot, baby. That was awesome. Good shot, right there.
You hit it.
Are you saying that?
No.
I
was on
shot that
shelf.
one. I don't know if I shot the
No,
same
you
one
hit
though.
him. You hit him.
You did? Are you lying?
I'm not lying. We go finish them off. Nice shot, honey.
I can't tell if you're lying. Does it make
I'm not lying at all. Biggin. He's a biggin. There's your duck. Here you go, Van. Here's your big Drake mallard. Look at that right there. Beautiful. What is it, a carp? I think it's a big carp. See it?
Yeah, I wish I could see the full thing though.
It's probably pretty cold.
Oh, I can kind of see him. You think he'll run off if I walk a little closer?
All right, well, this was the last hunt of 2026 duck season, and we had a great hunt. We got to watch Carson shoot her first duck today. It was a big, beautiful greenhead, but it's been a great weekend. We're pretty cold, so we're gonna get these ducks cleaned up, and hope y'all enjoyed this hunt, and see y'all in the next one.